Nuke the Fridge Con at Frank & Sons Collectibles here in the City of Industry, and I'm here with Celeste Yarnall. Yeah, Celeste, what are you up to?
Well, we're just having a great day. We're promoting our DVDs from Live a Little, Love a Little, Star Trek, Land of the Giants, Beast of Blood, myriad of photographs. Also, my beautiful new book, Holistic Cat Care, and meeting a lot of wonderful people, Star Trek fans, Land of the Giants fans. It's great fun to be here.
Yeah, so Star Trek, was that your favorite role?
Well, it may not have been my favorite role, but it's certainly been the one that everybody remembers me for. And who would have ever thought, back in 1967, doing this crazy show with big papier-mâché rocks and, you know, itchy costumes, that this would ever happen. But I know there was an amazing camaraderie on the set because Bill Shatner was just hysterical then, and he's hysterical now. You know, you could hardly keep a straight face. I mean, we'd be going...
Stop making me laugh. Well, it's great to see you doing so many great things. I hope you come out here to Frank & Sons today and get some collectibles, some pictures. She's got beautiful stuff here. Come and join us.